of it, since everybody's got their neat way of making like protein pancakes and all that neat stuff, I've been focusing on eating a lot better for this fight camp. So a lot of times whenever I wake up, I will obviously salt protein drink mix, and that's how I drink my coffee. But Rocky may have done he may have done like eggs and all that kind of neat stuff. But honestly, that's how I get my coffee. Put some sugar in there, and man, I'm starting to look a lot better. So anyway, I gotta get. You guys have a good one.